Hey there everyone, hope everyone's having a great time. Today we're taking a look at a new Oris. Now, here we go with the great Oris box. Let's get this guy out of here. And it's always fun to open Oris. They don't have any markings on the front. They only tell you if it's heritage or not really. So, there we go. This looks like the Oris Aquis date relief. There's the warranty card on this one, and let's take a look at this guy. Man, it's really in there. Alright, here we go. And this is like the regular Oris Aquis, but it's different. It doesn't have the ceramic bezel. It's got the relief bezel there. There you go. Modern TV magic. You can see it nice and clear. And this one here, it was designed, the color's different than their usual ones. The gray color was designed to reflect the stormy seas. They made this watch to raise awareness of the importance of water. What I like about this particular version of the Relief Aquis is I like the red rubber band there. It matches the second hand nicely. It gives it a little pop, a different look. And it's interesting that Oris would choose to do a bezel without the ceramic, but it gives us a nice variation of the Aquis models. And this one is, of course, the 43.5 millimeter size, so it's the larger of the two Aquis sizes. And let's see this guy on my wrist, and you can see it's got that lovely aqua silhouette. Very handsome model. It just gives you a clean and simple, streamlined look. It looks, maybe because of the red, it feels very Swiss to me, and just a neat addition. And let's go take this guy to the dark, and there you go, your usual Aquis loom. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch the video here. I appreciate it, and have a good day, guys.